Hi, I'm Kyle Dwyer with Asset Hero Property Management. As a new tenant of ours, we are super excited for you to be part of the Asset Hero family, and we wanted to go over a little bit about what you can expect at your move-in, specifically the utility and maintenance reduction program and what that is and how it benefits you. It does exactly what the title says. It helps reduce your utilities and your maintenance costs by being a tenant of ours. So I will go down the list of what it includes. So first and foremost, air filters. So those are extremely important to be changed on a monthly basis. For one, for your lease terms, but also to reduce your utility costs. So what we do is send you an air filter with the correct size straight to your door every single month. And what that's going to do is serve as a reminder for one to change it. And then secondly, it will reduce your utility costs because it puts less strain on your HVAC system, especially during the summer months, and overall lower your utility costs. Additionally, it'll prevent long-term damage to the HVAC unit, which could be turned back to you guys as a tenant expense by not changing air filters. So we want to make sure that you're covered there. Secondly, the utility concierge service, and what that means is at your move-in, generally what you do is you have between 1 and 4 utility companies that you have to contact to turn on all your utilities at your property. It's very time consuming for one, but also expensive. So you have utility connection fees that you have to pay. You have deposits that you have to pay down for each company. We want to reduce that cost for you. So what we do is keep the utilities on an Asset Hero's name, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is just come pick up your keys and pay rent. So now you don't have to pay the deposits or the connection fees, and it's all taken care of. It's quick, easy, and simple. And what we'll do is when we receive the utility bill for the month, we will put that on your portal where you pay rent, so you can see your rent and the utility costs all in one place and pay it all in one portal. So makes it easy for you, makes it simple. You'll have access to view the bill as well. And then lastly is the easy maintenance. A lot of tenants don't realize or understand that there are certain maintenance items that is considered a tenant responsibility. Things like changing the air filter, simple clogs in the drain, or smoke alarm batteries, things like that. So periodically we do inspections of the property. So while we're there, if those things need done and you notify us of such, like, hey, this air filter is super high up and I don't have a ladder, I need help changing it, or the smoke alarm battery's out, or there is a clog in the disposal, we'll go ahead and take care of that for you at no additional cost. So that's going to save you a lot of money over the long term, and help you, our tenant, be aware of what is considered tenant responsibility when it comes to maintenance, but without having that additional cost. So all of those things combined help lower your utility costs and your maintenance costs, at the same time keeping up with the property. That's what we want to do for you as for the tenants, to help you have a great experience with your new home. If you have any questions about this program at all, feel free to give us a call or email us anytime.